Oh yeah.
Gold Lake, baby.
Oh yeah, man.
What's up? Lake, you know?
Yeah.
High desert. What is this?
Hell yeah, we made it.
Yeah.
What'd you think, man? Hey.
Oh, this
Find a
is
little
beautiful.
structure.
Outside fireplace, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh. Dude.
What is all of this
Oh,
about?
this is just like a shelter. So this isn't the cabin. I think this is a shelter, bro. Kind of like that one they had up at Fall Creek.
Oh fuck.
Legit.
Set your bed up right here, and then this is a fucking sick fireplace.
There you are. Good boy.
Look at that, bro.
Dude, that is so nice. Are you kidding me? Oh my
Sick.
god.
Thing is sick. Fucking even something to put your pine cone on. Nice. Sick, dude. Hell yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Oh yeah.
Woo! What a cool spot, huh?
Seriously.
Dude, I don't want to be anywhere else right now. You know what I mean? I love that feeling.
So what up, guys?
Go without my gun, you know?
Right. He said, what's up? Damn, son. Hell yeah, man. Very nice. I like it. Great success. Oh, damn, bro. Would you look at that? So good. It looks deep. I mean, it doesn't look deep, but it is. That's just all.
How would you swim through that, dude?
You wouldn't. You'd be fucked.
Back there, I almost was like, hey, you should put some music on or whatever, but I was like, dude, it's just so peaceful out. It's just nice. Nom, 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 nom.
Oh, they're like otters. Hell yeah, man. That's so sick, man. Fuck yeah.
Well, thank you. Go.
It's like we're getting packed up to go to Waldo Lake now. Fuck yeah, dude. Gold Lake down, Waldo Lake next.
Woo! You're right.
2 lakes, 1 day. We do it?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, man. like we found a little island we could adventure to. We can check that out. What's up? Of two today, we found a second island over there. Oh yeah, man, let's go check it out. Pretty fucking sick, right? Oh yeah, man. Waldo Lake. Nice.
That was awesome. Gold Lake and Waldo Lake, baby.
Woo!